birds-themed alphabets. A. Albatross, American robin, Atlantic puffin. B. Bald eagle, blue jay, barn owl. C. Cardinal, crow, common loon. D. Dove, duck, dusky grouse. E. Eagle owl, eastern bluebird, emu. F. Falcon, flamingo, finch. G. Goldfinch, great horned owl, greylag goose. H. Hawk, heron, hummingbird. I. Ibex, Indian peafowl, ibis. J. Jackdaw, jungle fowl, junco. K. Kestrel, kingfisher, kookaburra. L. Lark, lyrebird, lapwing. M. Magpie, mallard, mockingbird. N. Nighthawk, nuthatch, northern flicker. O. Osprey, ostrich, owl. P. Peregrine falcon, puffin, peacock. Q. Quail, queen parrotfinch, quetzal. R. Robin, roadrunner, raven. S. Sparrow, swan, snowy owl. T. Toucan, turkey, tern. U. Uguisu, umbrella bird, upland sandpiper. V. Vulture, violet turako, Victoria crowned pigeon. W. Juan. W. Woodpecker, wren, wagtail. X. Xanthus's hummingbird. Yellow warbler, yellow-bellied. Sapsucker, yellow-eyed penguin. Z. Zebra dove, zebra finch, Zenaida dove.